What's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you my real morning routine as an elementary school teacher here in South Korea. I've gotten a lot of questions about what my mornings here look like, and I just thought it would be fun to film this video today. So excuse my voice, I feel very groggy because I literally just woke up, and I'm starting my day with how I always start my day, a nice cup of green tea. Literally just finished boiling, so I'm just going to pour this. I do drink a lot of coffee here also. Not a lot of coffee, but I try to just save my coffee for when I go to a cafe. However, if I wake up feeling like I really need some coffee, I'm not going to drink this today, but I just drink this. It's the Jarden signature coffee. Sometimes I get hazelnut and sometimes I just get the regular one. So before I start getting ready, I just kind of want to give you guys the rundown on the time frame, I guess, of my morning. So I typically try to be awake by 7 a.m. I don't have to leave for work until 8:45. I try and get up at 7 just because I love slow mornings. I love to have time for me, and I think just with the job I have and being so busy all day at work, it really is important for me to make time for myself in the morning so that I don't feel like I'm just, you know, working all day. Right now it's actually 7:25. I got a little bit of a later start to the morning, but not by much. And I am actually gonna go hop in the shower. I'm not gonna wash my hair, I'm just gonna wash off my body. I never wash my hair in the morning because it's just such a long process for me to dry it and flat iron it and all that stuff. So I am going to hop in the shower while this tea cools off. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know if you have any questions. Make sure you follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, and let's go shower. Alright, so my shower is done and I'm just here in my towel. Are you guys the type of people that just try and stay in your towel for as long as you can? Because I always just try and stay in my towel for as long as I can in the morning. But what I'm gonna do first is kind of like take care of a little bit of cleaning in my place. I usually try and do my dishes before I go to bed, but last night I was just super tired, so I have some dishes. And then also I just want to clean up like my little front area. Once again, I got home last night and I didn't feel like putting my stuff up, so I'm just gonna do that first. And to be honest, guys, I'm gonna stay in my towel because I want to keep this a very real morning routine, and I just like to stay in my towel. Alright, so my place is all cleaned up, feels much better now. I can like think straight. And now would probably be the time, usually like, I don't know, 25 minutes after I wake up is when I eat. However, I just looked in my cupboard and your girl has absolutely no food. I have pasta and I have almonds, but there's literally like 3 almonds left. So I need to run and grab something to eat. Lucky for me, I live right next to just like a little convenience store. So I'm just going to real quick throw on some like sweatpants and run down and get something to eat. Hopefully they have fruit. If not, I'll probably just eat yogurt or something like that. I'm not like a huge eater in the morning, but I definitely do need to get something in my stomach just because I'm not going to eat until lunch. Alright, so I just put my eggs on the stove for a few minutes just so that they can get warm. I'm like really weird and I don't like cold eggs, so I gotta have them warm. But while they heat up, I am on my laptop currently, and this is something that I do most mornings, so I wanted to show you guys. I'm trying to figure out just like what songs I'm going to use in class today. Obviously I'm teaching young children, so like visuals are a huge part of the learning, you know, process. So I pretty much just like type in the different themes and stuff that I'm learning, or I'm also doing like stormy weather song. I wonder if anything will come up for that. I'm teaching one class about stormy weather. Yeah, so something like this I would probably look at, and then I pretty much just like save them all, and then I pull them up during class. So I use a lot of videos that's just stuff like this. Kind of cheesy, but yeah, I just want to show you guys because I do this pretty much every morning. I also have like different little good morning teacher songs that I pull up and that they sing to me, and just a lot of fun songs and dances that we do in class. Alright, ate my food, I feel full now. Now it is time to get this all situated and together because it's actually about 8 o'clock right now, so I want to go ahead and start getting ready. I leave my apartment at about 8:45. It takes me about 20 minutes to like do my hair and my makeup. And then that will leave me about 20 minutes just to chill and to do whatever I want, which I usually end up just watching YouTube videos or studying Korean language. Wow, I look a hot mess right now. I need to go ahead and get this situated. What a wonderful world. So I love makeup, but I really don't see a point in wearing a ton of makeup to work just because I feel like my kids don't really care about that, nor do my managers. So I just put on like a little bit of foundation usually. I always do my eyebrows and then mascara, of course, but I usually just like skip the eyeshadow and highlight and all that kind of stuff. And then I think I'm gonna show you guys how I curl my hair using my flat iron, because fun fact, I don't even know how to use like a curling wand. I've always just used a flat iron, yeah, for about 10 years. I think I started using heat on my hair about 10 years ago. It's really easy, so I'm gonna show you guys. All right, so first, obviously, you need a flat iron. And little side note, usually I would be probably like watching a YouTube video while I do this. I was actually for a couple minutes until I turned on my camera. I'm currently just watching all of the Bachelor in Paradise exits. I'm on Tayshia and John Paul Jones's right now. So you probably already know how to do this, but if you don't, I'm gonna show you. So you're just going to take your hair and obviously use a heat protection spray. Then you're just going to take your flat iron and start by pulling it through and then just rotate it. So you pretty much flip the flat iron around and you see how it just curls it. It's really easy. I think most flat irons can do this. Clamp. And then I just completely flipped it over and then I just pull it through. And when you pull it through, you don't have to move the flat iron or anything. The flat iron just stays the same like direction pretty much. So flip. I could literally do this in my sleep. It's so easy. And in my opinion, it's way faster to curl your hair with a flat iron than with like a curling wand, because you don't have to sit there and wait for the like curls to form. They just form when you're pulling it through. And then for like hairspray, I like to use this. It's a coconut oil one by Mark Anthony. And I brought this from the States, so I highly doubt that I will ever be able to buy this here again. But it's just really nice. I like how it smells and it's not super strong, like too strong of a hold, you know? Yeah. All right, hair, makeup is done. As you can tell, I like to keep it just super casual. I don't do anything crazy as far as my looks go, but now I'm going to pick out my outfit. I actually don't change into my work clothes until right before I go out the door because I just don't like laying around in jeans, to be honest. Like, I want to be in my sweatpants. I think I'm just going to pick out this shirt. Just a really simple white shirt. I wear a lot of white and black shirts. I'm like very boring. I think with these, I'll just wear this pair of skinny jeans. I also am like a huge fan of the flowy pants. I have 15 minutes now just to sit around and do whatever. So I think today I'm going to watch a vlog. I've been watching vlogs in Korean. I'm just going to get back in my bed, and this is always dangerous, getting back in my bed before I go to work, but I don't have any kind of table yet. I want to get a coffee table for like right next to my bed so that I can like sit on the floor and like put my computer up, but this is what I have to do for now. So one of my favorite vloggers is Ina Jang, and a lot of her vlogs actually have English subtitles, so I'll just watch her newest one.
저희 엄마랑 어디 갈게요? 짠! 여기는 필라델피아.
Alright, and now it is time for me to go. I'm super blessed with the fact that I can just walk to work because I can know exactly what time I have to leave and I know I will get there on time, versus with public transportation, you never know if you're gonna make it there on time. So I'm gonna go ahead and change and head out. All right, here is the final outfit, and I'm just gonna wear a pair of sandals with this. It doesn't really matter what shoes I wear anyways though, because when I get to the school, I change into like inside shoes that like all the teachers and students wear so that the floors aren't dirty. And my jewelry, sometimes I wear little gold hoops. I'm not wearing any today. And these necklaces, I got them from Light Years, which is a store that they have in the States. Just like super simple gold chain and like a little pendant necklace. And then as far as what I bring to work, I actually keep all of like my work stuff, like papers and everything at work. I don't really do any planning at home, it just all happens at work. So I only have to just bring a little bag, and I have two staples. First are my AirPods. If you have been like hesitating on whether you should get these or not, you definitely should, because you'll use them so much, at least I do. And then the other thing I always have to bring to work is a mason jar, and I just fill this up with water all the time. I probably drink like 10 mason jars of water, maybe not 10. I would say I drink at least 1 mason jar of water every single hour, so at least like 8 every single day at work. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little morning routine of a teacher in South Korea. If you want to see more videos similar to this, let me know. As I get more accustomed with my job and everything, maybe one day I'll show you kind of like what it's like inside the school, but I literally just started working there, so if I do that, it won't be for a long time. But anyways, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys!